Welcome to my channel, and before you move on, listen carefully because this story may be about you more than you think. At the age of 18, Ayan stood near the window of his small room, holding an English book with shaking hands, wondering why fear controlled his voice every time he tried to speak. His dream was simple but powerful. He wanted to speak English confidently. He wanted opportunities. He wanted respect. Living in a small town made those dreams feel distant. In school, Ayan could read English and understand it, but when the teacher asked him to speak, his mind went blank. His classmates laughed at his pronunciation. Some whispered jokes. Each laugh cut deep. At home, his family loved him, but they were busy surviving life. His father worked long hours. His mother prayed quietly. They did not know how heavy English felt in Ayan's heart. One day, during a class presentation, Ayan froze completely. Silence filled the room. His face burned. The teacher waited, then moved on. That moment broke his confidence. That night, Ayan locked himself in his room and stared at the ceiling, feeling like a failure. He questioned his dream. He questioned himself. After hours of silence, he opened an old notebook and wrote one sentence with trembling fingers. I will practice English every day, even if I feel afraid. It was not confidence. It was a decision made in pain. He read a short English paragraph aloud that night. His voice was weak, his grammar was wrong, but he did not stop. That small action did not change his life instantly, but it lit a spark. Ayan did not know it yet, but that spark was strong enough to guide him through failure, fear, and growth. Chapter 2. The next few weeks tested Ayan's patience more than he expected. Every morning, he woke up early and wrote 5 English sentences about his day, his feelings, and his dreams. Most sentences were incorrect. Some days, he felt embarrassed even reading them himself. But he continued. Fear still followed him at school. Laughter still hurt. But now, he had a quiet routine protecting him. One afternoon, while sitting in a dusty local library, Ayan met Mr. Daniel, an old English teacher who volunteered to help students for free. Ayan spoke broken English in front of him, expecting judgment. Instead, Mr. Daniel smiled and said, Mistakes mean movement. Those words changed how Ayan saw learning. Mr. Daniel advised him to speak English daily, even if alone, even if wrong. Ayan followed that advice seriously. He spoke to the mirror. He spoke while walking. He spoke while doing chores. Many days felt useless. Progress felt invisible. His friends played games outside while he practiced verbs and sentences. His phone distracted him constantly, but he resisted. His mother noticed his effort and silently supported him by bringing tea and smiling proudly. One evening, Mr. Daniel invited Ayan to read a short passage aloud in front of a small group. Fear returned strongly. His heart raced. His hands shook. But he read. His voice cracked. He mispronounced words. Yet he finished. The small applause he received felt bigger than any reward. That night, Ayan wrote in his notebook, I spoke today without running away. That sentence gave him strength. He understood that growth was slow and uncomfortable, but real. He was no longer waiting for confidence. He was building it. Chapter 3. As time passed, Ayan realized that starting was easy compared to continuing. The excitement of the first week slowly faded and real struggle began. Grammar rules confused him deeply. Tenses felt like traps. Pronunciation still betrayed him in class. Some days he practiced for hours and still felt stupid. One afternoon, a teacher corrected his English harshly in front of everyone, and the class laughed again. That sound reopened old wounds. That evening, Ayan sat on his bed, staring at his notebook without opening it. For the first time since starting, he thought about stopping daily practice. He felt tired, slow, and hopeless. His father noticed his silence and sat beside him quietly. After a long pause, he said, "When work feels heavy, it means you are carrying something valuable." Those words stayed with Ayan. The next day, he went to Mr. Daniel and shared his frustration honestly. Mr. Daniel listened carefully and said, "This stage breaks many learners, but it builds strong ones." He challenged Ayan to speak English for 10 minutes every day without stopping, no matter how many mistakes he made. At first, those 10 minutes felt painful. Ayan paused often. He repeated words. He felt embarrassed, even alone. But slowly, sentences began to connect. He started recording his voice and listening again. At first, he hated the sound. Later, he noticed improvement. One evening, his younger sister asked him to explain an English lesson. Ayan explained slowly, carefully, and she understood. Her smile gave him confidence he had never felt before. Setbacks still came, but they no longer controlled him. Failure became feedback. Fear became fuel. Ayan was not just learning English anymore, he was learning patience, discipline, and belief in himself. Chapter 4. After nearly a year of daily practice, Ayan faced his biggest test so far, a scholarship interview that required clear English communication. The night before the interview, fear returned strongly. Old memories attacked his mind. Silence in class, laughter, shame. He barely slept. In the morning, his mother held his hands and said softly, "You have already won by trying." At the interview, Ayan's heart beat fast. But he remembered Mr. Daniel's words. Speak first, improve later. He spoke slowly using simple sentences. He made grammar mistakes, but he did not stop. He focused on meaning, not perfection. The interviewers listened carefully and nodded. Days later, the result arrived. Ayan was not selected. Pain hit hard. Tears filled his eyes. But something inside him had changed. He was disappointed, not destroyed. He went to Mr. Daniel with heavy steps. Mr. Daniel smiled gently and said, "This rejection trained you for the next door." Instead of quitting, Ayan analyzed his mistakes calmly. He practiced interview questions daily. He joined an online English speaking group and talked to strangers from different countries. Fear slowly lost its power. Confidence replaced it quietly. Months later, another interview opportunity came. This time, Ayan felt steady. He spoke clearly. He listened carefully. When the acceptance message arrived, his hands shook again, but from happiness. His family celebrated with tears and laughter. His father hugged him tightly. His mother thanked God. Ayan realized success was never sudden. It was built quietly through failure, effort, and consistency. And he knew his journey was not finished yet. Chapter 5. After achieving success in the interview, Ayan's life did not suddenly become easy or perfect, but something inside him had permanently changed. Confidence slowly replaced fear, yet responsibility grew heavier. He realized that many students around him were suffering silently just like he once did. They understood English, but feared speaking it. Remembering his own painful journey, Ayan decided to help. He started small by teaching basic English to younger students in his neighborhood. At first, he doubted himself as a teacher, but he remembered Mr. Daniel's patience and followed the same approach. He encouraged mistakes. He praised effort. Teaching others unexpectedly improved his own English. His words became clearer, his thoughts sharper. However, balancing studies, teaching, and personal practice became exhausting. Some nights, he felt completely drained and questioned whether he was pushing himself too hard. Old fear whispered again, telling him to slow down or stop. But then, he remembered the silent boy who once froze in class. He promised himself never to return to that version. Slowly, Ayan began sharing his journey online, recording simple English practice videos. At first, no one watched. Days passed with zero response. Then, one comment appeared saying, "Your story gave me courage." That single sentence erased weeks of doubt. More comments followed. People related to his struggles. His family noticed his growth and supported him fully. Friends who once laughed now asked for help. Ayan helped without pride because he understood their fear deeply. English was no longer just a language to him, it became a bridge to confidence, leadership, and purpose. He realized that growth multiplies when shared, and his journey was now helping others begin theirs. Chapter 6. Today, Ayan still practices English every single day, not because he fears failure, but because he respects growth. He still makes mistakes, he still forgets words, but he no longer feels ashamed. Looking back, he understands something powerful. English did not change his life alone. Daily discipline did. Fear was never the enemy. Giving up was. Each small effort, each uncomfortable moment, each failed attempt quietly built the person he became. Ayan learned that confidence is not a gift. It is built through action. He learned that consistency beats talent when talent gives up. His family's silent support, Mr. Daniel's guidance, and his own determination shaped his path. This story is not just about learning English, it is about believing in yourself when no one claps. It is about working hard when progress feels invisible. If you are watching this and feel stuck, afraid, or embarrassed, remember Ayan's journey. Start small. Speak even when your voice shakes. Practice even when results are slow. Accept mistakes as teachers, not enemies. Find a guide if you can. Be your own guide if you must. Do not wait for confidence to begin. Confidence comes after you begin. Work hard in silence. Let improvement make the noise. Believe in yourself even when the world doubts you. And most importantly, never give up because the future version of you is waiting for the effort you choose to give today.